Samtec supports our test and measurement customers from concept to manufacturing with our sudden service design assistance, as well as by providing samples of our high-performance rugged interconnects for prototyping. A popular Samtec product for test and measurement instrumentation is a low-profile Accelerate HD family of connectors. These connectors feature a flexible open-pin field contact array using our high-speed edge rate contacts that are engineered for high-cycle applications. Supporting up to 400 total IOs, the Accelerate HD connectors can be paired with Samtec's high-speed PCI Express cable. Our customers choose Samtec for their test applications because our high performance and rugged solutions support complex system architectures. Another example is the Samtec Bullseye 70 GHz or 90 GHz high performance test point system, which is frequently used for RF applications. Contact us today to help engineer the best interconnect solution for your next test and measurement design.